Do you think it's possible to earn money using Google Apps? You don't? You better believe it, since the extension or application has made generating money online a lot easier. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. To start off, I'd like you to go to latium.org. This platform offers a lot of earning potential, but I go into detail about what you'll do here. I'll first show you how to sign up for it and how much money you can make. With little to no work and only a few taps and clicks on our screens, we will be able to make money through this platform. Hover your mouse over Explore Projects on the Latium site and click it. After clicking, you'll be sent to this page, which contains all of the platform's featured projects. As you can see, the amount of money involved in each project is amazing. Doing just one task may earn you thousands of dollars. The best part is that there are literally hundreds of projects to pick from, so you're sure to find something you prefer. Let me explain what we want to accomplish here on Latium in the simplest terms possible. The first step is to sign up. Then after, you must choose the project you wish to work on and apply for it. If you're accepted, you move on to stage number 2. Step 2 is to complete and submit the project as requested by the customer, followed by step number 3, which is the payment release. That is all there is to it. It's really simple as 1, 2, 3. You won't have to be concerned about the payment procedure though, because they pay within 24 hours, which is just truly amazing. Now I'll teach you how to properly register on Latium in order to receive a signing bonus. To receive that signing bonus, stick with me and learn the details. To proceed, simply click on this button right here. After clicking, you will be prompted to provide Latium with the required details and information to your account. To be successfully registered, they will send you a verification email after you've completed the registration process. And after you verify your account by email, you will receive an immediate sign-up bonus. Easy money, right? Just make sure to check your email where they will be sending the verification email and click on the verification link. After successfully signing up and verifying your account, you will then be able to see that you've earned the signing bonus. The advantage of this platform is that it can be accessed from anywhere on the world. It is a wonderful opportunity for people to start their own income stream and provide for themselves and their loved ones. Imagine being able to complete a single project with a substantial payoff. It would completely change your life. Going back to the Explore Projects page, you can see all the categories accessible on this platform. Here are a few examples. This category, this one, and so on. Now, in order to save you a lot of time, I'll give you an additional tip on how and where to focus this method so you can generate a steady flow of money that you can turn into a consistent income source. So for the sake of making money, let's only focus on this one area: translation and languages. Click on that and you will be sent to a page that lists all of the work in this category. And don't worry, you won't need any technical knowledge, a large social media following, or a long resume to prove your life accomplishments for this strategy to work. Because as I've said previously, it won't take much effort from you. All you have to do is click and tap buttons and use Google Translate. As you can see in the featured projects, service providers earn this amount or more on each project that they complete, indicating that you may have or make a lot more if you work on many projects simultaneously. As an example, below are some articles that these clients want you to translate. Imagine earning a large sum of money for each translation service you provide. It could literally improve your life. As a result, each project salary will vary, and also its payment options. Some customers pay using PayPal or the likes, while others pay with cryptocurrency. So let me demonstrate how to translate this simple article so that you can understand and complete method and grasp the concept of making money online through this global app. Now I want you to go to google.com and key in Google Translate in the search box. When you click search, you'll be taken to this page where you can translate words or phrases. All you have to do is fill in the original language of the article and the language you want the article to be in this spot separately. To continue, simply copy and paste the content into the left-hand column in its original language. It is then instantly translate into English when you paste it. But allow me to pause you for a moment. Aren't these boxes too small? Let's make this translation tools page a little bigger. You may either click on this link which says Google Translate or type translate.google.com on your browser to be instantly redirected. You'll be taken here after clicking or tapping link on a page with bigger translation boxes. Allow me to demonstrate how to use this tool to translate once again. This is where you will upload the original article in its native language. As an example, I'll copy and paste it over here on the left. It will detect the language of the copied article, and right then and there, it will automatically translate to English if it is detected. It's incredible and time saving. That is overall the entire service. You put the article to be translated into the box and it will be translated in a matter of seconds. Another option in Google Translate is to upload the supply project file as a Word document to Google Translate. It will automatically translate the document where it has been loaded. Going back to the projects and Ladium, you can simply submit these translated projects once they are completed, ensuring a quick turnaround time and a positive rapport with your clients. Overall, the technique is still brand new and a few people are aware of it. So since this is still new, we should grab the opportunity. And as you see from the examples, this strategy is a piece of cake. Simply copy and paste the supply project into Google Translate and the results will appear in a matter of seconds. Boom! Easy money. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.